Welcome to Injury Assistance Network. This is your step-by-step guide to using the platform. To begin, open your preferred search engine and type Injury Assistance Network, or visit us directly at www.injuryassistancenetwork.com. Click on the website link to access our homepage. From there, go to the Sign Up section. Choose the category that best represents your business, such as medical provider or attorney law firm, and begin your registration. Next, enter your basic information, including your full name, email address, and phone number. You'll also need to create a password. You may choose to generate one automatically or create a custom password that's easy for you to remember. After filling in your details, click Continue. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email address. Simply open your inbox, retrieve the code, enter it on the verification screen, and click Verify. Once your email has been confirmed, you'll move on to setting up your business profile. Start by entering your business name and selecting your business category and subcategory. Then, choose the services you offer so users searching the platform can easily find and connect with you. Next, enter your business location details, including your country, state, city, and zip code. Then click Continue. Now it's time to select your subscription plan. Injury Assistance Network offers 3 different subscription options, including both monthly and yearly plans. Each plan comes with different features and benefits designed to help you maximize your exposure and engagement on the platform. Take a moment to review the available plans and select the option that best fits your business needs. Before completing your purchase, be sure to apply our South Florida Personal Injury Social Special coupon code to receive an additional 10% discount. Our coupon code is SFPIP10. Once the coupon is applied, enter your payment details, including your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing zip code. Then click Subscribe to complete your payment securely. Congratulations! Your account is now active, and you'll be redirected to your provider dashboard. Your dashboard serves as your central control panel, where you can manage and customize every aspect of your professional profile. The first step is to complete your business profile. Upload your business logo, add your website URL, YouTube channel, phone number, and a detailed business description so potential clients can learn more about your services. You can also include links to your social media profiles, making it easy for users to connect with your business across multiple platforms. Be sure to select the languages your business supports, such as English or Spanish, so clients can find providers who communicate in their preferred language. Once all your information has been added, save your changes to update your live profile. Next, head to the Location section. If your subscription allows multiple locations, you can add and manage additional offices here. If you currently have a single location plan, this feature may remain disabled until your plan is upgraded. After that, update your business hours. Set your office hours for each day of the week. You'll also find an option that allows you to indicate whether you are currently accepting new patients or appointments. If you are available for appointments, turn this feature on. If not, simply switch it off to avoid receiving requests you cannot accommodate. You can also provide additional business information, such as accepted insurance providers and other helpful details, like visit reasons, that clients may want to know before reaching out. The Team section allows you to add team members who can help manage your Injury Assistance Network profile. The FAQ section allows you to answer common questions in advance, helping potential clients get the information they need quickly and reducing repetitive inquiries. Once your profile is complete, to view your public listing, simply visit the Injury Assistance Network homepage and search for your business by category, city, or zip code. Your profile will appear in the search results, where users can click to learn more about your services. If your subscription is active, your profile will also display the I.A.N verified badge, indicating that your business is officially verified and listed by the Injury Assistance Network. This helps build trust and credibility with prospective clients. Visitors to your profile can also click the Book Appointment button to schedule appointments directly through the platform. Beyond your profile, Injury Assistance Network offers several additional features designed to help you grow. In the subscription section, you can review your current plan, monitor payment history, download invoices, and manage or cancel your subscription at any time. The Events section allows you to create and promote professional events to the entire Injury Assistance Network community. Simply enter your event details, publish it, and let other providers and professionals discover and engage with your event. For even greater visibility, use the Boost feature. Boost allows you to promote your business in targeted zip codes, so your profile appears as a featured provider in those specific areas. Here, you'll find 3 Boost options, each designed to fit different visibility goals. The Daily Boost allows you to promote your business for 1 day, with the ability to target up to 3 zip codes. The Weekly Boost gives you 7 days of premium visibility and allows you to target up to 5 zip codes. And for maximum exposure, the Monthly Boost lets you promote your profile for 30 days, with coverage across up to 10 zip codes. Once you've selected the Boost plan that best fits your needs, click on Purchase Boost. You'll be redirected to the payment page, where you can securely complete your purchase. After clicking the Pay button and confirming your payment, your Boost plan will be activated immediately, and you'll be redirected back to your dashboard. Now it's time to customize your Boost. Begin by adding the zip codes where you want your business to be featured. Simply click Add, enter your desired zip code, and continue adding locations. up to the maximum number included in your selected plan. Next, choose your boost start date. You can activate your boost immediately or schedule it to begin on a future date. Then, select the business category you want to promote. Once everything is selected, click Save to activate your boosted zip codes. Your boosted areas will now appear in your dashboard, along with your active boost status and payment history. Need to change a location? No problem. You can simply remove an existing zip code, and the option to add a new one will become available again. Once your boost is live, your business will begin appearing in the Featured Provider section for users searching within those selected zip codes. Finally, the Settings section gives you complete control over your account preferences. From here, you can update your password, change your email address, manage notification settings, and adjust your privacy preferences. Another important area is the Appointment section. You can easily manage your availability by creating appointment slots for your clients. Simply click on Slots, choose your available dates, times, and location, and create the schedule that works best for your business. In the Requests tab, you'll find a complete list of all incoming appointment requests. If you ever need assistance, the Support section allows you to contact the Injury Assistance Network team directly. You can submit a support request, set the priority level, and receive responses directly within your dashboard. Everything you need to build trust, increase visibility, and connect with more clients is now at your fingertips. Thank you for choosing Injury Assistance Network, the only network you need when you've been injured in an accident.